Hello dear students. In today's video, we will try to complete the topic active and passive voice. Okay, students, in this video, we will try to know some other rules and the miscellaneous type of the sentences that have a particular uh, rule or structure and to change a sentence from active to passive. Okay, so let us learn the first one, that is quasi passive verb. Okay, or transitive verb in passive sense. Okay, here is the rule. Some verbs have some verbs have a passive meaning. Okay, though though they retain the active form. Okay, they are changed into they are changed into or changed in uh, their adjective complements. Okay, so try to understand the rule. Some verbs have a passive meaning though they retain the active form. उनकी एक्टिव फॉर्म तो होगी, लेकिन they are changed in their adjective complements. Adjective complements is something in which you have to make a change. Okay, for example, let me uh, make you clear through examples. Okay, here I am writing sentence in active and here their probable passive form. Okay, the first one is the flower smells sweet. Okay, the flower smells sweet. So the flower smells sweet. Okay, it means the flower emits a sweet smell. यही तो बात है, active voice. Okay, so here this complement will be changed, means the process and the basis of changing it into passive voice will be this complement to this verb smell sweet. What kind of smell it possesses a sweet fragrance. So the passive would be the flower is sweet. Okay, and when it is sweet, it is sweet when it is smelled. when smelled, सूंघा जाए तो फूल अच्छी खुशबू देता है, अदरवाइज द फ्लावर रिमेन्स द सेम. ओके, द फ्लावर स्मेल्स स्वीट, तो पैसिव वॉइस विल बी द फ्लावर इज स्वीट व्हेन स्मेल्ड. ओके, अनदर एग्जांपल, मेडिसिन टेस्ट्स बिटर. ओके, दवाई का टेस्ट कैसा है, कड़वा है, तो बिटर. ओके, सो व्हाट इज बिटर, मेडिसिन. मेडिसिन इज बिटर कब, when tasted. Okay, okay, you can even write when it is tasted. but it is not mandatory. Okay, your shoes need mending. तो क्या हो जाएगा? Your shoes need to be mended. Okay, clear? Next one is the book is under printing. कंडीशन क्या है? इट इज़ बीइंग प्रिंट. ओके, तो इसको ऐसे ही कहेंगे, द बुक इज बीइंग प्रिंटेड. वाई इज बीइंग प्रिंटेड? बिकॉज हियर gerund is given under printing. Okay, why to be mended? Because need is the main verb and need is followed by to. Need to. Okay, clear? So infinitive will be changed like this in passive voice. Okay, clear? Let me write some more examples for you. Acid smells pungent. So what is the smell? It is kind of, is it like a pungent? तो क्या हो जाएगा? Acid is pungent when smelled. Okay, clear? When it is smelled. Okay, and last example for this exercise. Okay, curd tastes sour. खट्टा है जी. So curd is sour कब भाई? when tasted. Okay, so these are the passive voice of quasi passive or transitive verbs. Okay, clear? Now let us talk about miscellaneous type of sentences. Miscellaneous means they are mixed type. उनकी स्पेशल अपनी खुद की होती हैं and you have to even learn them. Miscellaneous. Okay, so here I am writing sentences of active voice and here they are probable passive. Okay, for example, sit down. Okay, sit down. So it is an imperative sentence. Okay, you are requested to sit down. No, इसको ऐसे करेंगे नहीं, वो भी हो सकता है, but it will be done like be seated. Okay, clear? और देखो, one must do one's duty. सबको अपनी ड्यूटी करनी चाहिए, तो क्या आएगा? ड्यूटी मस्ट बी डन. ओके, क्योंकि वन स्टैंड फॉर पीपल और कॉमनली उसको यूज किया, दैट्स वाई ड्यूटी मस्ट बी डन. मस्ट बी डन वाई? बिकॉज मस्ट इज मॉडल and after model we have to use be and then third form. Okay, next, the audience cheered his speech loudly. Okay, so here we don't use by. So what will be the passive voice? His speech was loudly cheered. Yes. Here we don't use by audience. Why? Because audience stand for people and a gathering. तो कॉमन नाउन, सॉरी करेक्ट नाउन, तो इसमें हम इसी की बात करेंगे कि भाई वी डोंट यूज एजेंट, बाय प्लस एजेंट. ओके हियर, तो हिज स्पीच वाज लाउडली चीयर्ड. ओके, नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. आर आर्मी, ओके, आर आर्मी हैज़ defeated the enemy. Our army has defeated the enemy. तो the enemy, because ये अपना ऑब्जेक्ट है. the enemy, okay, make it our subject. Now has, then been defeated. Okay, clear? Okay, let me write some more example. For example, they say so. दे से सो, वो ऐसा कहते हैं. ओके, दे स्टैंड फॉर पीपल, और सो ऐसा कहते हैं. तो हियर नो ऑब्जेक्ट इज गिवन, तो वी विल कंसिडर ऑब्जेक्ट इट. वो ऐसा कहते हैं तो क्या जाएगा, इट इज सेड सो. बाय देम इज नॉट नेसेसरी हियर टू बी रिटन. ओके, क्लियर? एक और देखते हैं सही. दे से ट्रूथ इज एवरग्रीन. ट्रूथ इज एवरग्रीन, एवरग्रीन. ओके, सो ये तो इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ कोटेशन, इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ फैक्चुअल ट्रूथ. ओके, तो हो जाएगा, it is said that truth is evergreen. Okay, next. A fierce storm, बहुत भयंकर तूफान जो था, wrecked, डैमेज कर दिया, wrecked the ship. ओके, तो the ship was wrecked. Done. Okay, another. Circumstances will compel me to resign the post. ओके, तो क्या जाएगा, I shall be. Why I? Because me is your object, so we'll change it in sentence. We'll definitely uh, make it our subject. तो subjective case of me is I, or with I we use shall. तो I shall and then be compelled. I shall be compelled to resign the post. Okay, clear? Let's write something more. One more sentence for you. One must endure what one कैन नॉट क्योर. ओके, भाई जिसका आप इलाज नहीं कर सकते उसको आपको सहन करना पड़ेगा. तो what what cannot be cured must be endured. Two passive voices are there because cannot cure model, must model. Okay, so these two are changed. Okay, so students, this is the end of the topic. Okay, active and passive voice. Okay, you need to practice it more and more. Even I'll send you some exercises. Okay, and you are requested to send their answer to me. Okay, all you need to learn is you need to focus. Okay, uh, the function of verb. Okay, and the main verb and the object, then how to change them in passive voice. Okay, and vice versa. Okay, students, if we talk about some other things regarding passive voice, are it will be an interesting topic if you uh, keep practicing it a lot. Okay, clear? You can even call me for any doubt that comes across while practice. Okay, students, as far as the recap is considered, okay, I would say, first of all, try to watch all the videos in a series in different parts. The different parts should be watched by you. Okay, then you need to note down all the examples I have shown you in the video. Okay, after that you will practice the similar things, okay, that I'll send you in future. Okay, and for any kind of doubt, okay, you should ask me. Clear? So I hope you will certainly do these things. Okay, and make me feel proud on you. Okay, clear? If we talk about other things in grammar, you know, your use of grammar will be accurate if your interpretation of the rules is acute. Clear? Okay, and this can be achieved by lots of practice. Okay, clear? So another thing, if I talk about, students, you need to focus on the structure of the sentence. If the sentence is given like do not make a noise, if you find a sentence like do not make a noise, so here prohibition hai. Okay, it is in negative or it is imperative sentence. So answer would be you are ordered or requested not to make a noise. Okay, clear? Not to not nahi, not to. Okay, so these are the things that you need to keep in your mind. Okay, thanks for watching this video beta. Okay, and please note down these examples in your notebook and send me the pics. Okay, clear? Thank you very much.